Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas Pool Concierge. Now we've talked a lot about the different options for everything you get to choose when you're putting your entire pool project together. We've talked about the shape of the pool, which is probably one of the most important things, to adding tile, to water features. But today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to talk about selecting a color for your pool. Let's dive in. Now chances are, most of the swimming pools you've probably swam in your life, they were probably white. You probably didn't realize it because the water looked blue, but for many years, we only had a couple options when it came to pool colors, white and light blue. But over the years, they've come out with some incredible pool colors and finishes that really add to the aesthetics and really can change the appearance of your pool. And while white still is an option, we've got a lot more to choose from these days. Now I've got some of the color samples here from Latham, which is one of the top fiberglass pool manufacturers in the nation, and one of the brands that we carry at Gary's Pool and Patio. And as you can see, there's a lot of different options. In fact, we've got 12 different options just in the Latham brand that you can choose from. Now, while most people will actually choose one of the blue shades, which there are several, there's other options too. So your lighter blues, they will obviously give you a lighter shade of blue when it comes to the water. But you can also go with something like Night Sky, which is a very deep blue, almost giving the water a tint that's close to black. But there's other options too. Take these for example. Who would think of going bronze on your pool color, right? Well, think about this. When you're at the beach, you're on an island somewhere, you've got sand everywhere, right? Most likely the sand is a shade of brown. So when you go with one of these, you're going to get a really nice turquoise color in the water. And I know I mentioned you could still get white, but you also have the option of going with something like a pearl white, which adds a whole lot of really prismatic characteristics to the water. In fact, all of the colors that Latham offer, they offer an upgraded version that does have a whole lot more sparkle, if you will, and when the light hits it, you just really do get a lot more light refraction and a very prismatic look throughout the water. And like I mentioned before, those old white pools that you used to swim in, I bet you never thought about them being white because the water looked blue. And going with a white pool, you do get a very nice crystal light blue color. So whether you're looking for something that's a very light blue or something that's very dark or a deep blue or even that nice turquoise color we get with the bronze, you've got a lot of different options. In some of the other pool brands that we carry, we've got additional colors that do go as dark as a volcanic black. So you can really change how your overall pool project looks and really have it complement more of everything you have going on in your yard and really with the total appearance of everything you've got going on with your backyard oasis. And another thing you may want to think of when you're selecting your pool color is the color of the pool can actually impact the temperature of your water. So your lighter pool colors, your whites, your light blues, those tend to keep a cooler water temperature. Whereas if you go with one of the darker shades, you will notice that the temperature of the water is going to be a bit warmer. So choosing your pool color is definitely one of the big choices that you get to make when you're selecting all of your options. But don't worry, no matter which color you choose, they all turn out beautiful and are all equally enjoyable when it comes to you getting in there and having fun in your new pool. If you have any questions at all, just reach out 210-834-7054. I'm here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming.